Hey guys, it's Cute Purple Setup. Today I'm going to be playing some Roblox. I was just playing, and then I found guest 66 literally right here. For proof, he's actually right there. Wait, and like also here. He's a real guest. Is he real? Like, oh my god. Everybody in the server is surrounding him, and they don't know if he's real or not. People are saying that he isn't. But like, I'm really confused. Have the guest 66 come here? I don't know. Like what? I'm gonna explore this. So I don't know how the hell I found this dude. I literally just found him. So I think he's the murderer right now. I don't know. Everybody's just voting for him. See, now he's voting for me. I think he hates me. Okay. So I don't know what to do. He's real. He's literally real. Like, he has to be real. Like, I'm asking you guys if he's real. Like, I'm just asking you if he's real or not. Like, what? Everybody's voting for me. I am so, like, frustrated right now. How is guest 66 in my server? I don't know. I'm just like playing and roaming around. This is 6 join. So, comment down below if you think he's real or not. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!